Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Motive English, and this is day second of my 7-day challenge of speak on a random topic. And in this video I want to talk about a very important topic, that is communication skills. So what I am thinking on this, communication skills means how we express ourselves, how we express our ideas, our feelings in front of the others. Many people think that communication means to speak in English or to speak fluent English, but this is not right. I mean, communication skill is not only just about a language or speaking. Of course, speaking is a part, but it is not only about speaking or it is not about language. It is about clarity, confidence, and connection. When you speak, then people don't just listen you, they understand you. And when they understand you, they feel connection with you, and that is the real communication skills you have. And this is what I am thinking. So many people have this wrong perception that to know the English means you are good at communication. So to know the English and to have this communication skill is totally different things. If you are good at English, it doesn't mean you are a good communicator also, because I see many people in my life, they are not so good at English, but they are good at communication. I mean, they know how to express themselves, they know how to handle the situations, and they know how to communicate with the people. And I think this is the real communication skills. So we have to work on these skills, and this is a learnable skills. I mean, no one born with these skills, everyone learn these skills, and we um, can also learn these skills. And in today's era, in today's world, communications are not as not you can say communication skills are not optional, they are essential part of our life. For example, we are working in a company and we have good knowledge and we have good skill about our field, but we are not able to express ourselves. We are not too able um, communicate with the people. So what's the matter of having those skills and knowledge? So this is the main thing. If we are able to express our thoughts and ideas in a better way, or we are able to speak with confidence, it means you can grow in your career. Sometimes it happens then having good knowledge or having good skills or ideas, but you lacking in the confidence and you lacking in the communications, and sometimes it happens that you lose your value, you lose your ideas. I mean, when you're not able to express yourself very well, then how will you expect that other people give you opportunity? I mean, communication skills is not only a skill, it gives you a multiple opportunity to grow in your career, to grow in your life even. So, communication skills is something that develops your personality. If you have these skills, you can grow easily in your career because it gives multiple opportunity to us. So, this is something that I am thinking on this. The second thing is, what are the things that stop us to communicate? So in my opinion, there are two things that stop us. One is making of mistake, and second one fear of making a mistake, and the second one is fear of judging. These two things that we think all the time in our mind, and we stop us to communicate and to be a good communicator in our life. These two things are stopping us actually. And making this fear of making a mistake is something that even every learner uh, do these things. I mean, when we start our journey, when we start learn this any things, whatever we want in our life, when we start, then we think, what happens if we make some mistake? What happen if we make mistake, and what people think about us? And after thinking these thought, we stop and we quit that idea of learning something. And I would say this is very wrong concept because I have realized in my life also. Earlier I used to think like this. Once I speak, I become fluent in this language, then I start to speaking with someone. But now I realized that without speaking, how can I speak English fluent? So I have to speak. If I want to be fluent in this language, so I have to speak out first. Then it helped me to be fluent in this language. Now I'm not good at English. I am making so many stuff I know, but still I am trying to learn this language, and this is what um, feel me motivated. I mean, okay, I making some mistake. Okay, um, I got stuck while speaking, but at least I speak. I try to speak in this language, and this is what feel me motivated to speak day by day. And definitely, I will learn this language, and I will improve myself a lot. This is what that is all about for the today's video. And let's see in the next video. So please don't forget to like and share this video. Let's see in the next video.